In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you the main reason why people are shifting from Kajabi to System.io, so that by the end of it, you'll have a clear picture of whether to go with System.io or Kajabi software. And I'll also leave a link in the description for you to open a free account with System.io and also Kajabi. So both of these softwares are used to create self-funnel or to automate your businesses. So by the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding. So let's now check out the reason why people are shifting from Kajabi to System.io. And one of the most compelling reason is the pricing. So for example, Kajabi's pricing starts at a substantial $149 per month for their basic plan, but for System.io, it starts with $27 per month, which is 5 times cheaper than the Kajabi platform. And that could be the main reason why people are now shifting from Kajabi to System.io. Just considering the basic plan, what about the pro plan? So for the pro plan, for Kajabi, you pay $399 per month, and if you pilot annually, you'll pay $319 per month. That is around 20% discount. And one of the key difference here is that Kajabi still limits you on the number of features you can access on their pro plan. But for System.io, they have unlimited access of their pro plan, and you pay only $97 per month. And if you pilot annually, that is $69 annually. That is 30% discount. And when you compare the amount of money you pay for the whole year, in System.io, you pay only $828, which is less than 3-month cost of Kajabi Pro plan. Imagine for only 3 months in Kajabi, you can pay a whole year in System.io. And that's why people are shifting. And you have unlimited access to features in System.io. And these are some of the limitations of the Kajabi Pro plan. You only have access to 100 products, 100 sales funnels or pipeline, and also 100,000 contacts, 20,000 active students, and 3 websites. But for System.io, with $97 per month, they offer unlimited products, funnels, landing pages, contacts, students, websites, custom domains. All those are available at unlimited option in the unlimited plan for System.io. But for Kajabi, it's limited. Now, let's compare the features and know the strengths and weakness of these two softwares. So, while pricing is compelling, features ultimately determine a platform value. Both Kajabi and System.io claim to be an all-in-one solution software for businesses, for automation of businesses. And with Kajabi, they focus more on course creation capabilities. It was built mainly for course content creators, course creators, and membership site owners. And for System.io, it's focused more on product sales approach. So Kajabi is for course creators mainly, and also membership site owners. And recently, System.io also introduced the membership feature, which makes it even more attractive, and that's why people are shifting. So for Kajabi, they offer more coaching session builders, podcast hosting, more sophisticated community features, and also quiz and assignments, which is not available on System.io. And that could be the main reason why you should stick on Kajabi if you are still on Kajabi. So if you have a very sophisticated course, then Kajabi is always standing out. But if you have a simpler course, then you can consider shifting to System.io, but they don't have the quiz and assignment option. So if you want to focus more on building sales funnels, then System.io is better option. Now, sales funnel and marketing features. Both platforms offer comprehensive funnel building option, but with different emphasis. System.io is built around the concept of sales funnel with an intuitive drag and drop funnel builder that makes it easier to manage key elements like automation rules, A/B testing, starts, lead, and sales deadlines. Kajabi uses pipelines instead of funnels, but offers similar functionality with a more polished user interface. So the only difference here is the user interface. It's more polished for Kajabi, and that's why it costs more to run a sales funnel in Kajabi, because they offer a more polished interface. So in terms of payment processing, this is where there's a great deal here. This could be another reason why people are shifting from Kajabi to System.io. So for System.io, they offer more payment gateway integration, including Stripe, PayPal, Go Cardless, Flutterwave, Paystack, Sendit, Razorpay, and also cashless cash on delivery option. While Kajabi is more limited payment integration. They offer more sophisticated subscription models, including buy now, pay later. So if you want to have access to more payment integration gateways, then System.io is the best option. Now, user experience and interface comparison. The platform Kajabi positions itself as a website first platform, emphasizing on the traditional shopfront approach to online businesses, but System.io's focus more on sales focused approach, putting funnels at their forefront of its organization structure. And one of the person who shifted from Kajabi to System.io is Aaron, and he considers System.io more easier to build funnels for their clients, and also migrating from Kajabi to the System.io unlimited plan. Kajabi does offer what most people or customers consider more professional and more polished experience. So if you are looking for a more polished interface, then Kajabi is a better option with improved menus and interface elements. However, this comes with a significant higher price point, which we have already discussed. So when it comes to migration, you should also consider that. So if you are shifting from Kajabi to System.io, for System.io unlimited plan, they offer free migration, and some of the things that they consider during the migration include the sales funnel pages, which is the first priority, and also creation of all pages elements, including images, videos, audios, titles, and text, transfer of product content and structure, setup of payment system and integration. And now, what are the key points here to consider if you want to shift? So for better affiliate platform and tracking and payout system, System.io comes out to be the best on that. So if you are running an affiliate platform, then you should consider going with the System.io software. Also, builder interface that work better is the builder interface in Kajabi is more sophisticated compared to that of System.io. Now, in terms of pricing, as you have seen, System.io is much affordable. So if you are a business person and you are working on your budget, then System.io is better. So that's all I can say is the main difference between the two platforms. And if you are considering getting started, you can go with System.io if you are just a beginner and you are focusing more on creating simple courses, selling digital products, and also running an affiliate platform, building sales funnels. Then you should consider going with System.io compared to the Kajabi platform. So for me, I was able to create my own sales page where I sell my own affiliate marketing course, and this is it. I'm still building it. I'm yet to add a sales video so that it can look better, and it's easy to design such sales page on system.io. You can see all this, and then you can also add some buttons for you to direct your customers to the order form where they can now make the payment. All this is just simple using system.io. So in case you want to get started, you can check out the link in description, and if you want guidance on creating a sales page, you can always reach out to me.